Yeah.
Oh, good. You picked up. That's great. That's,
What do you need, Benny?
nothing. Just, well, you want to hang out? Yeah, maybe shoot some pool, or I don't know, maybe blow up a trailer park?
Frank told you to blow up a trailer park, didn't he?
Sorta. Just, look, come meet me.
Oh, good, you made it. Come on, you drive. I gotta finish working on something.
You seem nervous, Ben.
Yeah, you know, I'm just trying to finish putting this thing together, and I don't know, I'm just not great with explosives.
Wait, what? It's a bomb?
I told you, we're gonna blow up a trailer park.
With that? That thing looks like an eggplant.
Plastics, old school. Don't worry, I think I got it all hooked up right.
What did Frank tell you to do?
That guy you kidnapped finally spilled his beans. So Frank tells me, Benny, you dumb shit. The huevos are meeting in the Street of Dreams trailer park. I want you to crash the party.
Gotcha. So I'm what? Protection?
No, you're like a diversion. You're gonna set up this here explosive and... Oh.
What?
It's ticking.
What? Throw it out the window! Throw it out the window!
Wait, no. It's my watch. Anyway, you're gonna set this explosive up in front. When you trigger it, Los Huevos will be running around all startled and confused like. You take them out, right? Meanwhile, I'm sneaking the back and I'm stealing this package.
So there's a package?
Yeah, there's this package we gotta get. Supposed to lead us to whoever's supplying Los Huevos behind Frank's back or something.
Fine.
Hop out. Set up them charges by that post over there. Hold them off till I give you a ring. They're probably packing assault rifles, so, try not to get shredded into a pile of bloody coleslaw.
Goes. Nothing. Are you serious? Benny! You fucking moron! Time to scramble some huevos.
We're good. Meet me around back.
Get you.
Yeah, no, I'm good. Just, let's go. We gotta meet Frank. You drive. Turn the air on.
It is on. What's the matter with you?
Everything's all tight like that. Feels like I'm underwater. I don't know. That's probably just the chili dogs I have. Keep driving. I gotta ask you something.
Shoot.
You ever, like, wake up in the middle of the night and, like, feel like you got ghosts on all sides of you trying to smother you with pillows and whatnot?
Can't say I do, Ben.
I was reading this book the other day about, like, people who are connected to the spirit world and whatnot. And they got, like...
The hell was that?
Huh? There's someone in the trunk.
Are you serious?
Yeah, the package.
You didn't tell me the package was a person.
You didn't ask. So yeah, I'm reading this book, and you wouldn't believe what actually happened when you turn off the Hey, this is the place. Stop the car. Get out and hang back. So hey, Jay, listen. Pop the trunk, will you?
No!
Hey, hey. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Okay, calm down, honey. You're gonna go with Mr. Lester here, all right, sweetheart? You're gonna be a good girl. Ho ho! You hear that, boys? She says she's in love with me. Kid, I need you to take a message to Vera. She either hands herself over and tells her entire crew they're under new management, or she gets her little friend's head in a box.
Jason, figured you were wearing cement shoes at the bottom of Lake Mead right now.
Vera, Frank's got Karen.
What? How do you know?
'Cause I kinda helped him kidnap her.
Why the hell did you do that?
Frank's been making me work for him. I didn't have a choice. I called Karen a few times. Didn't she tell you?
She didn't say nothing. We've been doing what we can to chip away at Mount Frank from down below, but...
I know. I'm supposed to give you a message. Hand yourself over to Frank. I'll get Karen's head in a box.
Oh, damn it. We pushed too hard. I knew this wasn't a good idea. All right, I'll do it.
No, you're not doing anything. Sit tight. I'll get her back, just... Do you know where he might have taken her?
First guess would be the strip mine outside the city. That's where he and Johnny used to take VIPs to, you know.
All right, I'm on it.